Yun po, baka po mayroon po kayong ma-comment dito sa sa naka-post po sa ating screen. Sabi niya,
Mhm.
napansin ko lang, bakit yung ibang mga Exeter hindi pa rin maka-move on, always pa rin sila nagko-comment sa social media about MCGI. Lahat napapansin dapat manahimik na lang, gumawa ng sariling activities, nakalabas na sila, wag nang makialam pa. Sorry, brother. Yun po.
Ayun. Ako, no, based on sa sinasabi niya, no, I am agreeing with him. Um, I believe he is right, no, sa sinasabi niya. If he is pertaining doon, Ate Ansat, sa napag-usapan natin before na you have heard enough, you've known enough, di ba? You are conscious enough to move on, and yet you still decide to stay as an exeter, di ba? Nananatili
Tapa.
ka pa rin dun sa victimhood consciousness, then, no, it becomes wrong. I think doon siya tumutungo. If he is pertaining doon sa mga tao na matagal nang nagising at gising na gising na at alam na yung dapat gawin pero pinipili pa rin hindi na lang manahimik at gumawa ng kanilang sariling aktibidad to progress their own lives, eh mali nga naman talaga yon. Pero if he is if kung ang situation is gaya ng sinasabi mo kanina na bago pa lang, meron pa siyang bitterness, may anger, may hate, I think it's it's okay for us to respect that, no? Na meron talagang time, be it matagal o be it hindi. Ang question kasi dito, Ate Ansat, if you are now conscious enough that you have to move on because you are now a realized person. So if you are a realized person and yet you are still not moving on, then what an idiot you are, di ba? Pero kung
No.
talagang victim ka pa, nandun ka pa sa victimhood na state, no? It's okay for us to understand. If they speak, we have to understand them, no? Gaya nga ng sabi natin, Ate Ansat, we will respect you and your time, but never ever we will respect your unwillingness to move on when you
Correct.
know it's your time to move on. Ayun, Ate Ansat.
Yun po. Ganda na sinabi ni ni Brad Elios. Talagang may process siya no. So nasa sa tao talaga, Brad Elios, kung narinig mo yung sinabi ko kanina, yung dun tayo sa may control tayo. Tayo as a human being, no? So tayo yung may control kung paano tayo mag-move on, kung saan natin lalagay yung sarili natin in regards to sa environment na pinapakinggan, nakakasama, no? Kung ang aim mo talaga is maka-move on ka, then you move on. Doon kasi hindi na mababalik-balikan pa para totally makalimot ka na, mag-heal ka na, no? Pero kung doon ka sa isang lugar na kung saan parang everyday yun pa rin na pinag-uusapan nyo, yun pa din paulit-ulit, I don't think na na makaka-move on ka at nakastuck ka na lang sa hatred and you're a willing victim, gaya nga ng sabi mo, Brad Elios, you're a victim always. Hindi ka na
Yes.
naging
And you are
ayun.
actually voluntarying yourself to always become a victim. Tama yun,
Mm-mm.
ano? Um, kung sino yung mga kasama mo, doon iikot ang mundo mo, whether you like it or not. Unless
Correct.
you are there to change their minds. Kasi merong tinatawag na one mindset per group, no? Kapag yan merong group mindset, no? At ikaw yung nandoon, ano? Um, most likely mahahawa ka. Pero if your intention is to wake them up, be ready because you will be hated or you will be expelled. Now, ito yung point natin, Ate Ansat. Tama ka doon. It is your conscious decision, no? It's all up to you. It's all you. Sabi nga ni Ate Kayla, no, you are the captain of your own ship, the master of your own destiny. So you choose.
Mm.
Kasi kung sino yung mga kasama mo, yun ang madalas na makaka-impluensya sa'yo. So, if a group is a group run by a victimhood consciousness, sooner or later, you will become like them. So, kailangan maging matalino ka. If your intention to join a community is to move on, you will move on. But
Correct.
if your intention is just be there and stay as a victim as you are, just like the many, not all but many, then you will become like them. It's up to you whether you put yourself in hell or in heaven. Which heaven? By you pursuing your life as life itself, that you should make a great life after being culted, not staying being culted and being a victim for the rest of your life. If you choose that, no, you are a very stupid cult victim. Yun lang. Thank you, Ate Ansa.